Hey there everyone, today I have these beautiful bottles here from Nail Reserve LA. These are 15 ml bottles and I have a discount code with them as well. I will leave all the details in the description box below. The first one I have here is called Pink Princess. These names are so cute. And I want to mention as well that this is a vegan product. This is a very opaque color. For sure you will get a good cover with this. It's absolutely beautiful. And next we have Golden Crown, another cute name. I'm just loving these names, they're so cute. And this one has sparkles in it. As well, I want to mention that these gel polishes smell really good. They don't have the regular chemical smell that sometimes gel polishes have. Okay, let's move on into Secret Lover. Another cute name. I'm just loving this. And these bottles are so beautiful as well. So let's see how this one looks like. Another beautiful color and very opaque as well. And next we have Less is More. Again, the name is so cute. So this one is absolutely beautiful. It has sparkles in it as well. And I'm gonna be using this one in today's video. And this is a beautiful top coat. This top coat you do have to wipe it at the end after curing because it does have a sticky layer. But the finish is completely beautiful and smooth, it's just nice. And the last item is the base coat. And all these gels need curing between 30 to 60 seconds depending on the strength of your lamp. So let's go ahead and create some nails. Today I'm gonna be using this picture as an inspiration. I found this one on Instagram. And I'm going to be applying full cover nail tips. When I'm choosing my full cover nail tips, I always like to make sure that they fit me from sidewall to sidewall, and that will be the widest part of my nail. And I'm using the Stiletto shape today from Bettycora. I'm customizing the cuticle area just to get a more seamlessly look. As well, I'm going to file the top of the nail tip near the cuticle area to make that area as thin as possible. And this will help as well with the end result. As you can see here, the fit is looking really good right now, and I'm gonna do this with the rest of the nails. All done with the tips, guys, and now I'm gonna go ahead and push my cuticles with an orange stick. This is more gentle than a metal cuticle pusher. And I'm gonna go around my cuticles and clean them as much as I can with my portable nail drill. This is a very gentle buffing. I'm not going to buff the shine from my natural nail because I already have very thin natural nails, but I do gonna be using primer, and that will help with the adhesion of the gel that is used for the nail tips. I'm cleaning all the dust because we don't want any dust left on the nails, and I'm wiping everything with alcohol just to make sure that they're absolutely clean. And I'm gonna move on into applying some primer. This primer is from a kit that I review on my channel. It's from Clara colors, and I'm gonna be using their gel adhesive as well. I'm applying a layer of the gel adhesive as base gel and curing that for 30 seconds, and then I'll continue into the application of the nail tips. I'm applying some gel inside the nail tip, making sure I cover the side walls and the cuticle area. Then I squeeze the brush excess and I'm gonna lower the nail at 45-degree angle near the cuticle area, applying some pressure near the cuticle so the gel doesn't spill out. Once I see the gel moving forward to the free edge, I will flash cure it for 10 to 15 seconds, and once I complete my full hand, I will cure it for an extra minute on my bigger UV lamp. Nails are completed, cured and secure, and the next step is gonna be buffing the shine from the nail tips. And these are the nails after 2 coats. Now I'm gonna use the sparkly pink again to create some Frenchies. I will add some glitter and a couple of rhinestones, and I will be done for the day.
at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
This is the final result for today, guys. These nails came out so beautiful. I'm in love with them. The gels are amazing, very easy to work with. I truly recommend this brand. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.